Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create PDF417 barcodes in Visual Studio C#.net. Before you follow this tutorial, please make sure that the Ziktech PDF417 font solution is installed on your system. In this tutorial, we will create a simple Windows application that will take barcode input data from the user and will show a valid PDF417 barcode in the dialog box. Although we will be creating a Windows application, you can use the same steps to use Ziktech font solutions with SQL Server, ASP.NET, or any other .NET technology. We will start by creating a new Windows application. Go to File, New, Project, and select Windows Form Application. Let's give it a name, Ziktech PDF417 Barcode Client App. And you can change its location if you want to. I will store it on the C drive. And press OK. Now we will connect our Windows application with our installed Ziktech barcode solution. From the main menu, go to Projects and Add Reference. Go from here to the COM tab and scroll down to Zik PDF417 Font Encoder Type Library. Select it and press OK. Also add Zik PDF417 Font Encoder Type Library's namespace by using Zik PDF417 Barcode Font Encoder Lib. Now we have to create a dialog box that can take input data from the user, and then upon pressing a Generate Barcode button, it will display a PDF417 barcode from the user data. In order to do so, we will first put a label that will be used to display a PDF417 barcode. Let's name it PDF417 Barcode Label and set its font to Ziktech PDF417 font. Also set the font size to the one that is mentioned in the Ziktech PDF417 font name. This will make the PDF417 barcode exactly the same size that you defined when designing this font on the Ziktech website. Then enter a label and put in the text PDF417 input data. In front of this label, put an edit box and name it Input Data Text Box. We also need a label that will display an error message in case there is some error. So add a new label and name it Error Message Label. Lastly, we will put a button and put caption text Generate PDF417. Then double-click on this button. It will create the press button event. Within this event, we will create an instance of Zik PDF417 font encoder and create a barcode font encoded string by passing input string into Zik PDF417 font encoder. And we will display the returned encoded string in a PDF417 barcode label. As you can see, in the Generate Barcode Font Stream method encoder, I am passing input data that the user has entered. The Generate Barcode Font Stream method will return an encoded string that I am setting in PDF417 barcode label, whose font we have already set to Ziktech PDF417 font. The last thing I want to point out here is that I have added an exception handling so that in case of any error, we can display error details that we will receive from Zik PDF417 font encoder. With this, our Windows application is ready. Press Ctrl F5 to build and run this application. We'll enter some text in PDF417 input data and press Generate Barcode. This has created a valid PDF417 barcode from our input data. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. With this small example, you have seen how easily you can use Ziktech PDF barcode font solution to create barcodes in Visual Studio.net. Please feel free to check out our other videos in the How To section of the Ziktech website. Thank you.